Welcome to Gripo. GripoFlow is all-in-one workflow automation platform that lets you automate almost anything, from cloud operations and business processes to DevOps pipelines, security tasks, and AI-powered workflows. Connect your tools, build smart flows, and let automation do the work. Managing Azure cost can quickly become complex, especially at scale. In this workflow, we will create a simple yet powerful automation to view the total Azure cluster cost using the GripoFlow. To get started, go to the Workflow tab and click Create New Workflow. Enter the following details: workflow name, description, trigger type on demand, retry limits, tags if needed. Then click Next. You can add reusable variables such as cluster name or resource group, or simply skip this step and continue. Your workflow is now created. Let's start adding activity. Click the plus button, select Azure Cost Management, then choose Price Calculation. Provide the connection reference and define a query to fetch the actual total Azure cost and click Submit. The Azure Cost Management activity is now added to the workflow. Next, add a sandbox activity to parse, validate, and format the raw Azure cost data. Click the plus button, select Sandbox, then choose Code. From the form, select JavaScript as the language. As soon as the language is selected, Sandbox mode is enabled automatically. Now, simply enter your code. This JavaScript logic safely extracts services name, cost, and currency and formats them into a clean readable output. With Sandbox, raw API responses are transformed into a meaningful user-friendly insights. Click Submit. The Sandbox activity is now added. Now, add a Slack activity to share the formatted results with your team. Click the plus button, select Slack, then choose Slack message. Use the sandbox output directly into your Slack message. Provide the connection reference, select the channel, and click Submit. The Slack activity is now added. Click Save to save your workflow. A confirmation pop-up will appear, indicating the workflow has been saved successfully. Now, click on Run. A successful execution message appears, and green check marks confirms that all activities run correctly. Now, you can view detailed execution logs for each activity. And in Slack, you will see the final output showing the Azure service-wise cost. With Gripo, you don't just fetch data, you turn into actionable insights, from cost management to automation and integrations. GripoFlow helps teams build smarter workflows, reduce manual effort, and make confident cloud decisions, all from a single platform. Thanks for watching Gripo.